Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day for those of you in the UK. Hope you are having a super duper day. For us in the UK, it's raining. It is absolutely pouring today. But anyway, I'm hopping on. This is a really quick live because I have got my delivery from our orders from the 1st of the month. So this is our new catalogue orders. So I'm very excited, and I wanted to come on and do a very swift unboxing. I'm not going to go through everything, but I know the warmer that I have been desperate to get. I fell in love with it at World Tour. We saw it at our Central event, and I have been desperate to get my hands on it. So I cannot wait to unbox it and share it with you. But there are other products in here as well. We've got some fragrance flowers. These are in the new Dainty Daisy design, which is rather exciting. A load of scent circles in here. The new style cotton cleanups, the smaller ones, and I shall go live about those a little bit later. This is what I'm excited about. Eek. Right, let me put that down. Let me move the big box. It's still quite heavy because it's still full of wax, but I want to share this warmer. So this is called Amethyst Glow. Now, if you love crystals, and I absolutely do love crystals, if you are a crystal lover or love purple for that fact, you are going to absolutely love this warmer, because it is coated and covered totally with real crystals. Okay, so this is the little dish. So all our warmers have a little dish, and this is where you put the wax for it to melt. Making a mess already. Oh, so excited. So excited. Let me gently pull it out the box. There we are. Now there's the bulb. I shall pop that in a moment. Let's move the box out of the way. Wow. Can you see? Let me bring it up close. Look at those beautiful crystals. How gorgeous is this? Wow. Wow. Right. I'm going to get the plug ready because I've got a plug here. I'm hoping that all goes to plan. I should be able to show you it on. That's the idea. So let me get the plug ready. Now, ordinarily, I would use a cloth to pop the bulb in, but I haven't got one available. Haven't got one with me. So I'm just going to put if I can open the bulb, I've got to get through the bubble wrap first. And it's been sellotape shut really carefully. How lush is this? Can't actually open the bowl, but there you go. Don't you just love a live where you're struggling like this? I will get the bulb out. Oh my word. Don't normally have this much trouble with a bulb, but these things are sent to try us, as they say. One bulb. So as I say, ordinarily I wouldn't put my fingers on it because we don't really want to put oils from our fingers onto the bulbs because that makes them blow quicker. So ideally use a tissue or something to put your bulb in. Right, that's in. What I am going to do is give it a little rub over with my jumper just to get anything off there. There we go. I'm going to plug it in. I took the plug cover off. Fingers crossed. Ta-da! It works. Whoop. There we are. And there we are. Now it's a little bit tricky. There, can you see that? How absolutely beautiful is this warmer? I love it. I absolutely, sorry, well, white out. The camera struggles slightly to pick it up. But this is totally stunning. So all of these little stones are all crystals, okay? So they're all real amethyst around the edge. Oh, I absolutely love it. Let me turn it off again. There we are, and then you can see it off. It is just as stunning off as it is on. And of course, they'll all be unique because every single one of them will have different crystals on it. You've got some darker, some lighter. So you've sort of got from really deep purple to almost like a light violet-y lilac colour, and everything in between. How gorgeous is that? So this is, let me turn it on again, the brand new Amethyst Glow that I absolutely love. Hi Claire, hi Tracy, thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day. Look at that. So there we go. So I just had to share that because I was so excited to open that. Tracy, your order's in here as well, so I should bring that on Tuesday. So I'm very excited. I will be sharing some of our other products later on. Not necessarily today, but throughout the week I've got some other new ones that I want to share with you. So have a lovely, lovely, lovely rest of your day. Enjoy your Mother's Day, and I'm going to go and cuddle a warmer. Take care, guys. Bye. Mwah.